Ladakhi Dzongkha. The Ladakhi language, also called Bhoti or Bodhi, is a Tibetic language spoken in Ladakh, a region administered by India as a union territory. It uses the Tibetan script. It is the predominant language in the Buddhist-dominated district of Leh. Though a member of the Tibetic family, Ladakhi is not mutually intelligible with the Standard Tibetan. Spoken Ladakhi shows variations in pronunciation and intonation across Ladakh. The accent in Leh sounds very different from the accents in Nubra and Zanskar. Dzongkha is the official language of Bhutan, belonging to the Sino-Tibetan language family and closely related to Tibetan. It uses the Tibetan script and is primarily spoken in western Bhutan, serving as the medium of instruction in schools and government administration. Rooted in Buddhist culture, Dzongkha incorporates many religious and traditional terms, though regional dialects like Changla dominate in eastern Bhutan. While only about 640,000 people speak it, Dzongkha holds significant cultural and national importance, with efforts to promote its use through education and media to preserve Bhutan's linguistic heritage.
Ji,
Nis,
Ni,
Sum,
Sum,
Ji,
Ji,
Nga,
Nga,
Tup,
Du,
Dun,
Dun,
Get,
Ge,
Gu,
Gu,
Shu,
Jutam.
Namkha yukska ne ngaje yap. Ngeranga mi thamschat ne stiwa thopshik.
Ki, shingamlu jumi, ngachigi yap, naagi ten, tampa sungwar sho.
Ngerangi gelfrit gyokspa lepshik. Ngerangi thuggongs namke nanga du batsoksla I jiksteni kang dubshik.
Naagi, gesi jembar sho, naagi tugon, shingamlu dubdozum, sakayang dubar sho.
Diring ngaja gozdomi kharji salajat.
Ngachilu, minegi zatung, dari yani, nawarze.
Ngaje dikpa chokan gunla shakspa salajat. Kazugi ngaje gyabgalla dikpa chokan gunla ngaje ang shakspa tangspen.
Ngachilu, zewa bemilu, ngachigi konya, tandozum, ngachi rangi dikshayang, she na.
Soste tusla dikpa choches ne ngaja ashkyo bajat. Yang nganpa shetan ne ngaja thar chugajat.
Tele, ngachilu, parchena, tsui machu, nyemba dile, chap ze na. Amen.